So we've got another cool demo using the LimeSDR together with the Pothos Dataflow programming suite. Once again, this is put together by Josh Blom. What this one's actually doing is, well, we're going to control an RC main socket. So this is a Brennan Stool 3600. It operates on 433 megahertz. It uses very simple on-off keying to control it. There's one just over here on the right hand side plugged into a mains outlet. Plugged into that socket we have a mains lamp at the back. These are usually controlled by a remote control that has groups A, B, C and D to which you can pair different RC switches, as well as a master or all on or off, which would send codes to turn them all on or off. So if we move over to the GUI, we can see the topology is loaded, Brennan Stool 3600 control. We have radio buttons for the groups A, B, C and D, and then also the all one. We have push buttons for on and off. The outputs of these are fed into a Brennan Stool 3600 block. This is configured with the codes that are required to turn those groups A, B, C, D on and off. Now the documentation for this particular hardware wasn't available, so what Josh did is he captured the codes over the air from the remote control and then was able to configure those inside the Brennan Stool 3600 block via this file here. Now the codes that are generated by that block are passed through a FIR filter. That's a low pass filter in this case. The output is then sent to our SDR sync, and obviously here that's the LimeSDR. This block also tunes that to 433.92 megahertz. The same signal is also sent to a wave monitor so that we can plot the transmitted signal up here on the left hand side. Now if we press the power on button, we can see that the transmitted signal has changed slightly there, and if we press the power off button, it changes once again. Now if we zoom out slightly, we should be able to see when we press the power on button that the lamp is turned on. It may be possible just to hear a slight audible click as well from the relay in the RC socket. If we press the power off button, it's turned off.